The 2024 Toyota Highlander has arrived with some noteworthy changes to the lineup. The Japanese automaker has bid farewell to the base L trim and the bronze edition, replacing them with a striking new Nightshade trim. The Nightshade treatment is largely a cosmetic upgrade and replaces 2023's bronze edition, which, as the name not-so-subtly implies, featured bronze interior and exterior accents. Offered on two Highlander Hybrid trims, the LE and XLE, the Nightshade includes black side mirrors, door handles, grille, exterior badging, shark fin antenna, and rear spoiler. Opting for the XLE adds black roof rails. Exterior color choices for the Nightshade include cement, windchill pearl, ruby flare pearl, and midnight black metallic. Gone are the bronze alloy wheels. In their place, the Nightshade rolls on black painted 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. Inside, the LE Nightshade comes with black cloth seats, while the XLE Nightshade upgrades the interior with synthetic leather upholstery with silver stitching and embossed fabric inserts. The XLE Nightshade also comes with desirable extras like heated front seats, a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, wireless device charging, a hands-free power liftgate, a power moonroof, and an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. A second-row bench seat is fitted to the 8-passenger LE trim, whereas the XLE equipped with second-row captain's chairs. An 8-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard in either trim, though the XLE Nightshade is available with an optional 12.3-inch screen. Each system comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite radio, 5 USB port, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The 2024 Toyota Highlander gets two powertrain options. A 2.4-liter turbocharged gas engine makes 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, routing power to an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those wanting a better fuel efficiency, there's also the Highlander Hybrid, backed by 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and electric motor for a total output of 243 horsepower and up to 36 combined mpg. On the other hand, the 2.4-liter is rated to tow up to 5,000 pounds. The hybrid only manages 3,500 pounds. Pricing for the 2024 Highlander Hybrid Nightshade Edition LE begins at $43,115 and the Nightshade XLE trim costs $46,265.